Hello, my name's Mike. I'm the owner of BestRugPrices.com, and today I'm doing a little video to help promote our website and to tell you a little bit about our floor and decor blog. So, the topic of the day is Mohawk SmartStrand Carpet and whether or not it will mat down if you put it in your home. I mean, is it a good carpet? So before I talk about that a little bit, I do want to put in a little plug for our website just to kind of tell you a little bit about who we are. What you're looking at is the front page of our floor and decor blog. And as you can probably guess by the name of the blog, what we write about is floor covering. We have articles on product reviews. We do cleaning and maintenance tips. We have articles about strategies that we've put together that you can take into your local store to get you better pricing on your materials. We even have articles on budgeting. So if you're looking to recarpet or put new hardwood down in your house or just a new flooring project, and you wonder how much it's going to cost so you can save the money, we have articles to help you do that. We just have a wealth of information on our blog. It's completely free. There's no membership fees or anything like that. So, feel free to use us as a resource guide anytime you have a flooring question. And I'm going to put the link to our blog in the description box below this video. So we'd love for you to come visit us and excuse me, and let us know what you think. The other part of our site that we have is about area rugs, and we have a page dedicated to area rugs. We have videos, and then what we do is we just keep it simple, but we have different categories for different size rugs. We have kids rugs. We talk about area rug pad down here, and if you've ever been shopping locally for just an everyday area rug for your home, you've probably come home frustrated because I'm sure you found that most of the box stores and floor covering stores have gotten out of the area rug business. You might have found a store or two that has a limited selection of rugs, and they're usually overpriced, but that's about it. So in today's world, most area rugs are purchased online. So what we do is we try to visit a lot of these sites, and we make recommendations to our viewers as to where the best deal of the day is and who has the best rugs, just to try to help make the buying decision a little bit easier. So that's the other part of our site. And I'm going to flip back to our floor and decor blog. Um, One of our most recent articles, as I kind of get into the topic of SmartStrand Carpet, we've just recently published an article about SmartStrand Carpet. We call it our SmartStrand Carpet Cleaning Guide, but it's really more of a resource guide. In this article, it's a very in-depth article about SmartStrand Carpet. So, if you're shopping for flooring and you've looked at any SmartStrand Carpet, this is just an article that will give you a wealth of information. I mean, it's not only talks about cleaning, but it talks about the warranty. It talks about whether it's toxic or not. The performance of Mohawk over the years with this carpet is about whether it'll mat down. Will it have issues, in your home, and all that stuff. And a lot of the information that we share is some information that sometimes the stores just won't tell you about. For example, with Mohawk SmartStrand Carpet, in order to maintain your warranty, you have to use an approved vacuum cleaner from Mohawk. And a lot of stores won't tell you about that. It'll come as a surprise to people. But in this article, we talk about that. We actually go ahead and list the 30 or 40 different vacuum cleaners that Mohawk approves. So, if you don't know this, I mean, you're going to find yourself having to go out and spend two, three, $400 on a upscale vacuum cleaner to maintain your warranty. The other thing that maybe the stores won't tell you about that we share in this article is that in order to maintain your warranty, you have to have your carpet professionally cleaned at least once every 18 months. But with SmartStrand, it has to be a cleaner that is approved, has a seal of approval by the Carpet and Rug Institute, and not every professional cleaner has that seal of approval. Well, in this article, we give you a link to help you search for a cleaner in your area that you can use to maintain your warranty. And this is just a few things that we put in this article here that um, you're really going to need to look at if you're interested in SmartStrand Carpet. So at any rate, I'm going to switch screens here. I'm going to go to the Mohawk site, and Mohawk Industries is the company that makes SmartStrand Carpet. And in this or on this page, I should say, from Mohawk, they talk about the different brands of SmartStrand, and then they also give you cleaning procedures and pet warranty information and all of this good stuff. But Mohawk SmartStrand came out many years ago, and actually, let me switch screens here again to YouTube. I want to show you this video, if I can find it here. Here we go. And Mohawk SmartStrand, when they first introduced the product, they came out well about 9 years ago, as it says here, with the zoo challenge. And if you want to see a fun video, this will do it. But what they've done here is they put the SmartStrand carpet in a zoo and let the animals walk on it for 30 days, and then they came back and cleaned it just with water to show everybody how durable it is and how it doesn't mat and so forth. And it's really a fun video to watch to see how well the SmartStrand carpet wears. So again, all of this information is in our article here, SmartStrand Carpet Cleaning Guide. You've got videos, you've got links to resource pages, just all kind of a wealth of information, and we would love for you to come and check it out. Again, I'm going to put the link to the article in the description box below this video, and we'd love for you to read it and leave a comment or two and let us know what you think. Thank you very much.